One of the main reasons why we choose UK is because of the work-life balance. Good vibes everyone, my name is Jebby and I make videos about our life as a Filipino couple living here in Scotland. Bago kami lumipat dito ay nagtrabaho kami sa Abu Dhabi ng 6 years. My husband worked there as a home care nurse and I work as an assistant teacher in an international school. And sa UAE, hindi uso ang maraming day off. Just like me, 6 days akong nagtatrabaho at 1 day off lang per week. Lalo na sa husband ko na minsan once every 2 weeks lang siyang mag-day off. So we are so blessed and grateful that God has brought us here in the UK. Sa Edinburgh, Scotland pala kami nakatira ngayon. My husband works as a nurse at ako naman ay care assistant. Hindi naging madali ang unang taon namin dito dahil malayo kami sa family at walang masyadong mga kakilala. We lived in the Highlands for a year bago kami lumipat dito sa Edinburgh. My husband and I works in the same company at pareho kami ng duty at days off. Minsan ang day off namin sa isang week ay 3 or 4 days kaya sulit talaga. At ito ang isa sa mga main reasons kung bakit namin pinili ang UK. We really enjoy our life here and we are beyond grateful sa faithfulness ng Panginoon sa buhay namin. Kung dati ay nalulungkot kami dahil malayo kami sa family namin, God has provided us friends and spiritual family as well. And bonus pa to be able to continually serve the Lord kahit nandito na kami sa Scotland. Ayun lamang guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and don't forget to pray!